Basecamp Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll break down Basecamp's features, usability, and overall performance to help you determine if it's the right project management tool for you. Links to Basecamp are in the description below. Basecamp is a simple yet powerful project management and team collaboration platform designed to keep teams organized and on track. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use, making it ideal for small to mid-sized teams, remote workers, and agencies looking for a streamlined way to manage projects without unnecessary complexity. Unlike many other project management tools, Basecamp avoids cluttered interfaces and excessive features, keeping things clean and intuitive. One of its core strengths is organization. Every project in Basecamp is structured into to-do lists, message boards, schedules, file storage, and automatic check-ins, ensuring all project details are in one place. Instead of endless email threads, team communication happens through Campfire, real-time chat, and message boards, asynchronous discussions, helping teams stay connected without overwhelming notifications. Another standout feature is Basecamp's Hill Chart, a visual progress tracker that provides a big-picture view of how a project is moving forward. This is especially useful for managers who want a quick, non-technical snapshot of progress without complex reports. The platform also includes client access, allowing businesses to communicate with clients directly within projects, keeping all interactions transparent. Basecamp keeps things affordable and predictable with a flat-rate pricing model, a unique approach compared to per-user subscriptions found in many competitors. This makes it a great, budget-friendly option for growing teams. While it lacks some advanced features like deep automation and integrations found in tools like Monday.com or Asana, its no-frills approach makes it highly effective for teams that value simplicity, transparency, and centralized communication. Overall, Basecamp is an excellent choice for teams looking for an easy-to-use, all-in-one project management and collaboration tool without unnecessary complexity. If you want a distraction-free way to manage tasks and improve teamwork, Basecamp is worth considering. Check out the link in the description if you'd like to try it for yourself. Thanks for watching.